What's up, guys? Blessed afternoon. Did some disassembly, bit of disassembly in this bike. Starting to make some progress about this bike, and repaint the frame and a lot of things. Swing arm, the T-post. Yeah, I'm gonna start a lot of things now. First of all, just repaint, then put it back together again, clean some of this. So stay tuned. God bless. Yamaha Crypton Z project. Let's go. Hey guys, just finished for the day. Stripping this Yamaha Crypton Z down. So there's still plenty of work to do tomorrow. So for now, it's like this. Yeah, I removed all the fairings and the fuel tank, the compartment box. But before I fully strip this down by tomorrow, I want you guys to hear the engine first before it gets fully taken apart. Yeah. It's pretty quiet. The engine stopped, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bump up the displacement, gonna trick it out, put a bigger jug in it, and a 4-valve head. Stay tuned, guys. This thing is needs a lot of love and care to make it. It's got zero suspension, zero. Whenever I ride, it's just like I'm riding on a pogo stick. No suspension whatsoever. That might be all. Stay tuned, guys.